here in beautiful Peille, France, on the trail to Peillon. Beautiful medieval towns built in the 14th century on an absolutely gorgeous day on the side of the mountain. It's about 10K to Peillon and back to Peille. It's quite steep along here, but there's some sections that are runnable, which is nice, like this one. I'm just south of what you'd consider the Alps, so it's still pretty mountainous, and unfortunately I only brought my road shoes, the Kinvara 14s, and some parts of this are a little sketchy with them. A nice creek to the olive trees. What a place. Looks like the olives are coming in. I think I see Peillon. There it is through the trees. Beautiful. Here it is, the entrance to Peillon village. Everyone here is so friendly, both here in Peillon and in Peille. It's nice. Time in Peillon has come to an end, and it's time to run back to Peille, which is mostly uphill. Let's get there before dark. Distance, you can see the Alps, those snow-covered peaks. Go! No race this time, just a relaxed effort. Halfway there. I can see Peille. Beautiful. Made it back to Peille. What a beautiful run today. What a beautiful day. Hope you enjoyed the views as much as I did. See you in the next one. Au revoir.